Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be discussing one SQL interview problem that was asked in the Amazon interview. So let's get started. So the problem is that we have to identify the manager with the biggest team size. And as an input, we have the employees table where we have the employee ID, the first name of the employee, the last name of the employee, and the person that that employee is reporting to. For example, Nancy Dovalio is reporting to the person whose employee ID is 2. And if I have to look at that, okay, who is this employee ID to? Then I can say, okay, Andrew Fuller is employee ID 2. So Nancy Dovalio reports to Andrew Fuller. Similarly, wherever you see this 2, there Andrew Fuller is the manager of all those employees. Our final output is this, where we have the first name and last name of the manager with the largest team size and the number of reportees. So let's get started. Before I tell you the solution approach, I want you to take a pause and think of an approach. And I've also provided the create table statement in the video description, so you can have a look at, you can try to execute the code on your end as well and see if whether you are able to get the results. Meanwhile, I'll go ahead and I'll tell you what the approach will be. So it's a three-step problem. We'll provide the solution in three simple steps. The first one is being that initially we'll get all the count of reportees for every managers. For example, manager one, how many reportees does he have? Manager two, how many reportees does manager two have? And so on. Then we will filter for the manager with the highest reportees, and then finally we can do that by using a max filter statement or by doing an order by and limit statement, and then finally we will get the first name and last name of the manager with the highest reportees using a self join. Moving ahead to the implementation of the code, in this slide I have done the first two steps where I have selected my reports to column as the manager ID, which, as I mentioned, that will be the person the employee ID is reporting to. So it becomes the manager ID basically. So we've selected the reports to column, and then we have taken a count of distinct employee IDs to get the total reportees for every manager, and then we've done a group by reports too, and then we have arranged by arranged by count of distinct employee IDs, and we've done it in descending order so that we will get the person with the highest reportees at the very top, and then we've done a limit one so that we get the manager with the highest number of reportees. So here you can see, okay, manager ID 2, he has the highest number of reportees. Moving to the final step where, so now we have this table. Now we just need to get the first name and last name of my manager ID. So I'll simply take a self join. So here is my step 3. I have put my initial step 1 and 2 as a CTE, and then I've simply done a self join on the employees table. So you can see here I've selected the first name, last name, reportees from the employees table, and then I have done a inner join on the base table, which is my this CTE, and I've done a inner join on the employee ID equal to the manager ID, which I have recently created. So I'll get the final results, which are the first name of the manager, last name of the manager, and the number of reportees of the manager that has the biggest team. So that was all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching.